Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Snapchat. Okay, click on that. And the first step you simply need to delete Snapchat and then you simply need to install it again. Okay, so once you done that, you simply need to go into the app settings and go into the app management. Here you need to go into the app list and search for the Snapchat. Here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to simply turn off your smartphone and turn on again, and then you need to log in into your Snapchat account, and after that your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.